Welcome to Python 101. In this video, we are going to talk about how to have a good summary of the data you're working on. I have created a data frame here. The name of the data frame is df. To have a quick overview, just type df.head. This will display the first 5 rows of the data frame. Let's run it. You may also want to know how large your data is. To do that, you just need to key in df.shape. It returns two numbers. The number to the left is the number of rows in the data frame. The number on the right are the number of columns. Based on these two numbers, we will know how large our data is. You may also want to know the type of data of your data frame. Just key in df.info. This displays a brief overview of your data frame. dtype over here refers to the data types of each column. Object means anything that is not a number. Float means numbers with decimal points. int64 means numbers without decimal points, that is integers. Entries refers to the number of rows in the data frame. Non-null count displays the number of non-null values for each column name. The non-null values are the values which are useful. The null values are the missing values represented by NaN, as you can see here. Before we start using the data, all the columns should have 0 null values. As you can see here, for the gender, there are 9 non-null values. For department, there are 10 non-null values. For salary, there are 9 non-null values. So since there are 10 entries here, for the gender that has got 9 null values, which means that they have 1 null value. Instead of using df.info, you can also use df.gender.dtype to find out which data type gender column belongs to. In this case, it's O referring to object. You can also key in df.age.dtypes. In this case, O is an object. By right, it should be an integer instead of object. So we need to clean that up. If you want to find out the total of null values, that is NaN, just key in df.isNull.sum. Over here, you can see that for gender, there is 1 null values which you have to take care of. For salary, 1, and for height is 1. You can also find out for each department, how many departments are there. Just key in df.department.valueCounts. You can see that in total, there are 3 departments. Each department has their own number of employees. Alternatively, you can key in df and put department quoted within square brackets as well. You can find out also the unique values without their counts in the column just by keying in .unique. Over here, you can see that there are altogether 3 different departments in this column. To find out the column names of the data frame, just key in df.columns. This is the end of this video. In the next video, we will talk about how to filter data frames. Thank you.